Welcome to Sellora tutorial video, your trusted US marketplace designed to help sellers grow, connect with customers, and maximize profits. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to register as a seller on seller.sellora.com. Step by step, let's dive in. Go to seller.sellora.com. Click on the Start Selling button. Enter your name and mobile number, then you'll instantly receive a 6-digit OTP. Enter the OTP to verify your mobile number. Then enter your email ID and create a secure password. Hit Create Account and you'll be redirected to your seller dashboard. Your contact details will be filled in automatically based on your sign-up information. Next, it's time to customize how your store appears to customers. Enter your display name, choose your business type, whether you're a manufacturer, distributor, or retailer, and write a short description of your business. Once done, click Save to continue. Now, let's set up your pickup address, the location from where your products will be shipped. Add your name, full address, city, state, zip code, country, and mobile number. Click Save, and you're all set for smooth logistics and deliveries. Next, we'll configure your return settings. This is where you manage how returns are handled in your store. Under General Return Settings, Sellora automatically approves all return requests based on the policies you define. If there's an exception, buyers can reach out directly through the Buyer Questions section. You can also choose to manage refunds manually. For example, issuing a refund within 48 hours after receiving the returned product. During the holiday season, Sellora automatically extends the return window, giving customers more flexibility and confidence while shopping with you. Now, add your return address, including your address name or business name, full address, city, state, zip code, and mobile number with country code. Click Save. This address will automatically appear on all return shipping labels. You can also define your return window. How many days buyers have to return an item after delivery. Each product category can have its own duration. Once you set your preferred number of days, click Save to confirm. Next, configure replacements by department. Here, you can enable or disable product replacements for each category. If you choose Yes, buyers can request replacements for defective or damaged products within your return window. If you select No, only returns will be available. Click Save when you're done. Now, let's move on to your business details. Enter your registered business name, contact number, and official business address. You'll also need to provide beneficiary information. If you're the beneficiary for this business, fill in your designation, first and last name, date of birth, and citizenship. Upload a valid proof of identification, like your passport, driving license, or national ID, followed by your complete address details. Then, attach a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement, and click Save. Next comes your tax information. Choose whether you're registering as an individual or a business. If you're a U.S. resident entity, select Yes, then choose your federal tax classification and LLC type if applicable. Enter your full name, optional trade name, or DBA, your taxpayer identification number, and upload the supporting file. Then, fill in your address details like country, address, city, state/province/region, and zip code. Then click Save to proceed. If you're not a U.S. entity, select citizenship and organization details. Enter your country of organization, name of organization, optional trade name, enter business registration number, and upload your proof of business registration number. Then, fill in your address details like country, address, city, state/province/region, and zip code. Then click Save to proceed. Now it's time to configure your shipping settings. You can offer free shipping on all orders or set your own custom shipping rates by creating a shipping template. Choose what works best for your business. Next, add your bank account information so you can receive payments seamlessly. Enter your country, account holder's name, account number, routing number, bank name, and full bank address. Double-check every detail before clicking Save. Now the Get Paid step here, you have to connect your PayPal account. Click Connect with PayPal, and you'll be redirected to PayPal's official website. Enter your email, select your country or region, and log in to link your account securely. Once connected, you'll receive payments directly to your PayPal account. And finally, it's time to list your products. You can add new products manually or choose from existing listings available on Sellora. When everything's ready, click Activate, and your store goes live. Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.